This is Eureka Math, 3rd grade, Module 4, Lesson 10, Exit Ticket. Our first problem says, what is the area for the shaded side? The area of the shaded side is blank square units. Okay, so let's just not look at the white squares for right now. We're just looking at the shaded part. So for the shaded, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 square units. This line over here is 8 square units long. The line across the top for the shaded is 5 square units. Okay? So the area of the shaded side is 8 times 5 equals 40 square units. So number 3 says, what is the area for the unshaded side? So let's count those up again. This line right here is still 8 square units, but we only have 2 columns in the unshaded side. So what is 8 times 2? 8 times 2 equals 16. So the area of the unshaded side is 16 square units. Use your answer from the previous 2 problems to help you find the total area. So the total area means we're going to add them together. So the shaded side, let's look. The shaded side was 8 times 5, and we know that equals 40. 8 times 5 for the shaded side. And then we're going to add the unshaded side, which was 8 times 2 equals 16. Okay, so we're going to add 8 times 2. We'll add those together. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 8 times 2, that's 16. 40 plus 16 is 56. Another way that we could do this, guys, is we could do 8 times 5 plus 2. So 8 times 5 we know is 40, and 8 times 2 we know is 16. 40 plus 16 is 56. Number 5 asks, what is the area for the shaded side? Okay, so let's find the length. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 units over here. And across the top of the shaded side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the shaded side is 9 times 10 equals 90. It is 90 square units. Number 6 is asking, what is the area for the unshaded side? Okay, we still have this line, which is 9 square units, and the unshaded side has 3 square units. So 9 times 3 equals 27. So it is 27 square units. Number 7, use your answer from the previous 2 problems to help you find the total area. Okay, so we have 9 square units. I'm going to write 9. And then we're going to add 10 square units plus 3 square units. All right, what is 9 times 10? 9 times 10 is 90. What is 9 times 3? 9 times 3 is 27. So now we're adding 90 plus 27. If you're not sure, let's line up the tens place and line up the ones place. Excuse me. 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So I'm going to put down the 1 and carry the other one to the hundreds place. 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer is 117 square units in all.